Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfi Fitria Daulay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Today we will learn about present continuous tense. Do you know about present continuous tense?
No, I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you about definition of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a tense which is used to describe an ongoing situation. This is the pattern of present continuous tense. Positive, negative, and interrogative. Positive, subject plus be or am is are plus verb ing plus object or complement. Negative, subject plus be or am is are plus not plus verb ing plus object or complement. Interrogative, be or am is are plus subject plus verb ing plus object or complement. This is the subject. If you don't know about the subject, here subject. I to be am. You, they, we to be are. He, she, it to be is. Okay, next. This is a group of time from present continuous tense. Now, right now, at the moment, today, at present, this month, this year, this week, and this semester. Okay, next I will give an example for you. Number one, I blank 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 a book or read. The answer is positive, I am reading a book now. Negative, I am not reading a book now. Interrogative, am I reading a book now? Number two, my brother blank 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 orange juice or drink. The answer is my brother is drinking orange juice. Negative, my brother is not drinking orange juice. Interrogative, is my brother drinking orange juice? Number three, they blank 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 tenses this week. Positive, they are learning tenses this week. Negative, they are not learning tenses this week. Interrogative, are they learning tenses this week? Okay, next I will give you practice question. Okay, let's start with practicing question using days. You throw the days and answer the question based on the days. Let's do it now. Throw.
Okay. I will
Let's
answer.
do the answered question. Okay, I will check it, your answer. Oh no, you are wrong. Because you forget to use to be. They blank 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 a form, alright. They to be
Are.
yes.
Forget.
You forget. They are writing a poem. Negative, they are not writing a poem. The interrogative, are they writing a poem? Okay? Next, you will try it.
Okay.
Thrown.
I'm finished.
Okay, I will check it again. Yes, you true. Good student. Next. Once again.
Once again. Okay. And I'm finished.
Okay, I will check it again. No, you wrong again. Because you wrong about drug the book. Let's see.
Okay.
Sitting. You don't know sitting?
Yes, I know.
Oh my god, you forget to the T.
Oh my god, miss, I forgot.
Okay, it's okay. So the answer is she is sitting at floor. Negative. She is not sitting at floor. Interrogative. He's sitting at floor.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Do you have any question?
I don't have any question, but I just confused about subject and to be. Like they is are. Sometimes I forget about it. Yeah.
No problem. You will get the understand about present continuous tense and to be, and if you study hard, you can do it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will stop here. Thank you for your attention and I hope you understand about present continuous tense. See you next tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, miss.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.